This is Nitin Dahad with the Times, and I'm on the show floor here at CES 2025 in Las Vegas, talking to Ivo Rook, who's the CEO of Once. Ivo, hello. Ivo, hello.
I listen to both, Ivo and Ivo.
How are you?
All good. It's a great show as always.
So we last spoke when you just joined,
Correct.
and it was virtually because it was during COVID, and CES was happening virtually, if you remember. But things have changed a lot. I think it was 3 or 4 years. But tell me a little bit about Once.
The beauty about it is, you and I spoke 3 years ago, and if I now look what we have achieved, in 3 years we went from a company that was basically Europe to a company that's now selling their services in more than 50 countries, utilized in 170 countries. We have 30 million endpoints under management, and we have more than 20,000 customers. Now the point is not that we have massively grown, although we did. The point is, and that really matters, none of that growth would have been possible in the world of IoT so fast unless you virtualize everything.
Yes.
Our trick has been, we do digital sales, digital supply chain. We win our customers online, we service them online. That's why we sell in 50 countries. And our customers can build our technology into their component that goes into the device so that it works for life, only having touched it once, everything included.
Hence the name. Now, that's great. But in terms of what your product is and the technology, I think we see stuff around on your booth here, from like chips from Murata, and just tell us your sort of relationship in that ecosystem and what your technology is.
So first of all, we produce our own code, we've built our own network, and that's how we can keep our costs low and go fast. But we have a great partnership with AWS. We run our network straight off their cloud that allows us to be present in 5 continents in the world and also keep data local, but also do local payment services and so on. We work together with the Muratas of this world, but also other module providers, basically enabling their modules to be able to talk to any network on the planet, quite literally, and build it into devices at a fraction of the normal cost.
And this is not to knock the existing ecosystem and telecoms operators, but you're doing it not at the network layer, and you're basically that helps you sort of provide that sort of global coverage for any operator, any network.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's a true fundamental in here at play. If you want to be big in IoT, you need to make margins. Now, how do you make margins? You got to have scale.
Yeah.
How do you have scale? You got to be global.
Yeah.
Now, this is where operators go wrong. There are no global operators. They emphasize on their domestic market. I tell you, no operator can monetize their IoT business in their domestic market. That's why we need software players like Once, who, with all respect, make a network truly global, serve customers truly global, and that's how we do, 1.7 million activations in one single month ago in December. That's how it works.
Yeah. So I think on that, the activation. So you've built this whole network in the cloud.
Correct.
And then that allows you to build those activations, and then get people to sign up for whatever service they want globally.
Correct. I mean, we are, and we're proud to say so, the largest telco in the cloud directly run on AWS with 30 million endpoints under management. But the beauty is customers can buy us either on AWS or directly on our website. Order, configure, manage for the lifetime, up to 10 years, fully digital.
Okay, and what's the plan for 2025? I mean, you keep giving me great numbers. What's next?
All right, now what's next is, number one is our ambition is to be a standard in the world of IoT so that everybody who builds a global solution at least considers Once and to build it on that. Number two is, now that we have become one of those standards, is add more software so it becomes even easier to integrate us and do more with management of the devices, such as utilization of the battery, localization of the devices without GPS, and a myriad of other software tools are going to be added. And then number three, and that matters as well, we have a great partner, founding partner in the form of Deutsche Telekom. He's an investor in our company.
Right.
Followed then also by investors such as Bell as an operator and SoftBank as an operator. But we've become so big that we are going to be needing more operators to support our business.
You know what? SoftBank has got many sort of irons in the fire. I've spoken to many people at this show, and SoftBank is one of their investors.
Yes, I mean, it's an unbelievable partner for us. What I like about SoftBank is they invested in us but they didn't try and change our product. They don't even dictate how to build it. They basically said, this is what you do best, but we cooperate with SoftBank. Asia is now our fastest growing region. In 19 countries in Asia, SoftBank helps us to distribute our services in our way. So they don't change us, they support us.
That's a good investor.
A great shareholder.
That's a good investor.
Absolutely.
Well, Ivo, thank you very much.
Thank you for your attention
Thank you.
and have a great show.
Thank you.